Alright, like the title suggests, in today's video we have another gaming PC build for you here in 2023. This is a upper tier system. It ain't quite the best that you can get, but it's awful close to it. This will be a great workstation computer for you, or a great 4K gaming system. Let's flip you over and we'll run down through the components that make up today's build. To start out with, we have the AMD Ryzen 9 7950X CPU. Everything will be plugging into the Gigabyte B650 Aorus Elite AX motherboard. We have G-Skill's Triton Z5 series, 64 gig of RAM running at 6,000 megahertz speeds. For the storage, we have the Western Digital Black SN850X NVMe, 2 terabyte. For the second drive, we have the Crucial P3 Plus, 2 terabyte. I'm not too sure if I'm going to add that one in or not. I do have it on hand. I'm not sure if I'm going to put that one in my system or not, but I think it would make a nice second drive for me. For the GPU, we have the Sapphire Radeon RX 7900 XT GPU. To keep the CPU cool, we have the Fractal Design Celsius Plus S28. This is what I'm currently running in my rig. Just like the all-in-one, this is the Corsair 4000D Airflow, which is also the case that I'm currently using. We will be upgrading the PSU. We have the Corsair RM 1000E. It's a 1000 watt gold certified fully modular power supply. Here are some of the extras that's already in my system that we're going to also be using. We have the Fractal Design Prisma AL112s, which is the 3 case fans, which matches what comes with the AIO. And we also have the Elgato Game Capture 4K 60 Pro MK.2. This will be added into the system at a later date. It ain't going to be in today's video, but it will be added to the system. So that's the parts that make up today's build. This is going to be kind of way overkill for what I need personally, but I don't do a whole lot of high-end stuff on the channel, so I figured this to give me a chance to dabble on some of the higher-end stuff. Like I mentioned, this will be a great workstation PC, and I think it's going to be a pretty good 4K gaming PC. You add all these parts up, if you bought everything new, you're looking at about $3,200 for everything. That ain't including taxes or shipping. Just keep that in mind when you're talking prices. Let's flip you over. We'll show you a montage or a time lapse of the build process on this gaming computer. And then I'll be back with my final conclusions on the build and how it went. Alright all, so we went down through the components to make up today's build. I showed you a little bit of a time lapse from a montage of me putting it together. I showed you that it does boot up into the BIOS at least. So I consider that a pretty successful build. I do believe this would make a very powerful workstation, and it's going to be pretty good at 4K gaming. There will be some other videos on this system coming up on the channel, like benchmarking and how good the CPU is and whatnot. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on if you want to know when them videos drop. I think that's going to pretty well wrap it up for today's video. There is links in the description below that may interest you. Don't forget to do all that fun YouTube stuff. You all have a good day, and I'll see you in the next video or live stream.